In the 80s, Europe faced a series of devastating floods. The increase in sealed surfaces, in particular pavements, were found the largest contributors, triggering changes in stormwater management. Langsdorff Licensing saw a need and created Uni-Ecostone, the first permeable interlocking concrete paver. The Uni-Ecostone allows rainwater to infiltrate through the pavement and back into the soil. Due to intensifying urbanization, water runoff is increasing and happening faster, causing more severe flooding. Uni-Ecostone permeable interlocking pavements, or in short, PICP, help reduce runoff back to pre-development rates. After Germany, PICP systems were introduced, often mandated, in Switzerland, Austria, the rest of Europe, the UK, and all the way to Australia and Japan. The concept of utilizing permeable pavements became recognized globally. While there was early success in North America, the market here demanded more research. Starting in the mid-90s, Drs. Ray and Miriam Rawlings, Corps of Engineers, Professor Phelan, Northeastern University, Professor Zollinger, Texas A&M, Professor Shackle, University of New South Wales, Professor Hunt, NC State University, Dr. Drake, University of Toronto, and in particular, Professor James, University of Guelph, found that while offering numerous benefits, maintenance of PICPs can present challenges, especially when cleaning is delayed. Lack of cost-effective and practical approaches prevent the widespread adoption of PICP systems in North America. Novel and practical maintenance and operational methods supported by scientifically based proof are needed. Uni-Ecostone was the first generation permeable interlocking concrete paving stone and had a void ratio 8 to 10%. The second generation permeable interlocking concrete paving stones have a void ratio 6 to 8%. However, clogging and maintenance are now the key concern. The drainage joints have now narrow walls, top to bottom, and over time, the top 1 inch gets obstructed with fine sediment. The Courtright Center permeable pavement test demonstrated that most cleaning methods show limited effect or are time-consuming and expensive. Our new product idea was to address this by changing the paving stone and its joint design. Our next generation pavers and joints are now formed so they can be easily cleaned. Please follow the link to see the simple yet effective solution to the maintenance problem.